How to create posts on YouTube on the YouTube community tab. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can create posts on YouTube community tab. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now just like that, you can see latest YouTube posts. People post about the captions and they give some kind of pictures. They link you to the new video and so on. Let's say you want to create a post like this on your own channel. Well, it's very simple. First of all, log into youtube.com and then make sure that you're signed into your YouTube account. And then after that, on the top right hand side, you'll be able to see a profile picture. Just click on it. And then here you'll find the option called your channel. So you want to go to the option called your channel. As you go to the option called your channel, you'll be able to come to your channel page. Here you want to simply switch to the tab which says community over here. And once you come to community, here you can find the option that says post and update to your fans. So all you have to do is simply first of all enter the caption or anything that you want to post. So let's say that I want to post in anything as such. And then once you enter your caption, choose an image that you might want to upload. If you want to add an image, you can drag up to 5 images or GIFs, or you can simply add an image poll. So you can add option 1 and option 2, or else you could add a text poll, only text, and then again tap on cancel, or you could add a video as well, which means to add an existing video on YouTube. Once you add, let's say, any of these videos over here, so let me also just go ahead and then type in any of it. You can simply link it to any videos that you want to add. Choose the option called select, and then after that you can just enter the caption again over here. And then once you enter the caption again, all you need to do is just choose the option called post from the bottom in order to go ahead and then post this to your YouTube community tab. And this is how you can create posts on YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.